Is his gonna cry?
Yeah, did Paris didn't cry?
I'm happy.
You're happy?
It's okay, so fun.
Wow! Show mommy? Yeah. What did daddy get for you?
Cupcakes.
She chose it.
Dito kami nakatira, guys. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Saturday, everyone. It is now 2:30 ng hapon and nakabihis kami, guys. Hindi naman nakabihis na nabihis. Yung hindi na pambahay ng mga damit. Kasi aalis kami. May lalakarin kami. Where are we going na? Nandito ang ating baby girl. Pasensya na ang ating mga labahin dyan. Anak, where are you going?
Outside.
Outside? And what are you gonna do outside?
I'm going to go in the car.
Go in the car.
Mommy.
Oh, can I see your outfit, please? Stand up, B. Show Tita and Tito your outfit, B. Show the Mickey Mouse. Uy, ayaw na ka-dirty. Ayaw ka-dirty. Yucks! Yucks! Here's Paris' outfit. Nakbe, show me your Mickey Mouse. Come here. Oh, guys, ito pala. Show them your sister, Nakbe.
Show me.
Baby sister. Show them your baby sister.
Baby sister.
May bagong kapatid na pala si Baby Paris, guys. Oh. Hide and seek? No, tell them what's the name of your sister.
Baby.
Baby?
Jovey.
Josephine. Yeah, is that your sister?
Yes, Jovey.
Baby Josephine, kiss your sister now. Wait, give sister a kiss and cuddle. Babe, kiss. A baby. Do you give milk to baby Josephine when she's crying? Hmm? Is she crying, baby? Show mama, baby.
You're so funny. That one.
She's happy.
It says Paris.
Happy.
It says Paris.
Oh, did she say Paris? Alis na kami, guys. Pupunta kami ng South Melbourne today. First time namin pupunta ng South Melbourne for the longest time kasi nga sa lockdown. And luckily, yung South Melbourne is, I think it's just 25 kilometers or even less than 25 kilometers from here. So, pwede kaming makakapunta doon. And then, we are so longing to have that hot drinks like my hot chocolate and daddy's latte from cafe named Shade Ray. So it's a French joint, guys. Kaya yun, pupunta kami doon. And umalis na yata yung dalawa. Lumabas na sila, nang iwan na.
Be careful.
Chika pa diya, mama.
Wait, be careful, I said. Go.
Where's your mask, daddy? Ay, make sure you close the door. Paris! Uy, where's your water bottle? Labuti na lang talaga lumabas si Mr. Sun, guys. Oh,
Mommy.
I'll find Paris. Kanina, sobrang maulan talaga kaninang umaga kaya hindi kami nakaalis. Ngayon lang kami nakalabas ng bahay. Yan, dry na siya. Pero si Daddy Mike pala, kaninang umaga, of course, hindi yan siya ma-absent sa kanyang lakad-lakad. So, nag-walking siya kanina kahit umuulan. Pagka uwi niya, sobrang basa niya talaga, guys. Pero kahit yung ulan, hindi makakapigil sa kanya. Anything? Hala, uy, ayaw, pag-check dia. Uy, it's not yours. Taka, rumang ka. Yeah, get in the car now. So we can go. It's now 3:15 ng hapon, guys. And kakapark lang namin dito sa South Melbourne. And si Daddy Mike ay lumabas na pala. Pumunta na siya doon sa cafe. We tried to wake Paris up para masama namin siya sa cafe na yun, guys. Kasi yung mga tao sa cafe na yun, kilalang kilala nila si Paris when Paris was still a baby. Yung nilalagay pa namin si Paris sa pram, yung wala pa siyang ipin, wala pa siyang buhok, dinadala namin siya dyan. Kasi yung bahay namin is super malapit lang talaga dito before. Kaya gusto sana namin dalhin si Paris para makapag-say hi. Pero ginising namin siya at ayaw niya talagang magising. Sobrang himbing ng kanyang tulog. Kasi alam niyo naman, it's nap time na. Kaya tulog na tulog siya, ayaw niya gumising. Kaya sabi ko kay Daddy Mike na, just bring the drinks back here and then, yeah, we'll come back next time. Ano lang pala siya, guys, it took around 20 minutes na drive kasi 23 kilometers away siya from our place. And so, pasok siya sa banga ng 25 kilometers. Kaya yun. After this pala, pupunta kami sa Albert Park. Dala namin yung old bread namin. Ayan. Kasi, we will feed the ducks, the swan, the, ano pa bang meron doon? Yung mga seagulls, lahat ng mga birds doon, guys, nandun. Paris loves it. Kaya pupunta kami doon after here. And yeah, Paris will enjoy. At especially kasi nakatulog na siya. Kaya mamaya pagkagising niya, energetic na yan siya and super happy na naman. Mamaya pagdating ni Daddy Mike, guys, doon tayo dadaan kung saan kami nakatira before. Dito talaga sa South Melbourne, guys, dito ko talaga parang nagbuntis ako kay Paris for 9 months at dito rin si Paris pinanganak. Kaya this is very memorable place para sa amin. Kasi I know dito ako naglalakad nung sobrang laki pa ng tiyan ko. May mga kaibigan din kami dito, guys, especially si Paris, yung mga kaibigan niya sa anong tawag dito? Kasi may library dito na malapit sa amin. Tapos every I think twice or 3 times a week pumupunta kami ng library. Meron silang tinatawag na rhyme time para sa mga babies na mga nursery rhymes, kinakanta, sumasayaw, ganun-ganun. Kaya si Baby Paris, very friendly and hindi siya mahiyain kasi ever since na baby pa siya, bagong panganak pa lang siya, parang na-expose na siya sa maraming tao, sa maraming kids, kaya hindi siya natatakot, guys. Sobrang magaling siyang mag-socialize, ganun. Kasi sanay na sanay yan siya. Papakita namin sa inyo kung saan kami nakatira before. We really love it here, guys, kasi sobrang malapit sa lahat. Like, yung city dito ay nilalakad lang namin noon ni Paris. Like, yeah, very, very close. Tapos, sobrang daming shops. Lahat ng mga streets dito, may mga shops. And, yeah, unfortunately, it's too small. Kasi nung nag-move kami dito ni Daddy Mike before, hindi pa namin alam na buntis ako noon. Kaya, yeah, it was only 1-bedroom unit. At ngayon na nandyan na si Paris. Kaya kami nag-move kasi wala nang space. Wala nang mapaglalagyan ng mga gamit ni Paris. Yung, ang tawag dito, yung lunchroom namin noon ay punong-puno na ng laruan ni Paris at wala na kaming ibang malagay pa. Kaya, that's why we decided na mag-move. But, we really love it here. Kung sana, hindi lang siguro sobrang mahal yung renta sa lugar na to, siguro dito kami maghanap, guys. Pero, sobrang mahal talaga. Especially pag 2 bedrooms na yung pag-uusapan. Sobrang mahal talaga. Nagising ang ating baby girl. We tried to wake you up before, anak. Huh? Yeah, we're in South Melbourne. Daddy went to grab some drinks. Aww. You didn't hear us before, nak? Kipukaw ka na mo, nak? Were you sleeping well?
Yes.
Oh, shush! Very deep, yes? You were sleeping very, very well, anak. You didn't hear us. We're like, Paris, wake up.
Huh?
Said, Paris, wake up. And Paris was like, nah, whatever.
Is this gonna cry?
Yeah, did Paris didn't cry.
I'm happy.
You're happy?
It's so fun.
Wow! I'm very happy to hear that, anak, that you're happy. Here's your sister.
Mine could pick up soon.
What is that, anak?
Mine picks up soon.
Pick up soon?
Yes.
Nagdamgo ka, nak? Were you dreaming, nak? Were you dreaming? Tanaw guys, oh, hawak-hawak pa niya ang kanyang baby sister, Josephine. Do you love baby Josephine?
Yes.
Yes. I love you, baby Josephine.
I love you. Mommy,
Daddy's coming soon. Adore! Daddy's coming soon. And then we're gonna go feed the ducks. Have a look, oh. What's this?
Red.
Bread. We'll feed the ducks with the bread. Do you think the ducks will be happy? Yes, they will be. Because they're hungry, eh?
I'm hungry too.
Oh, you're hungry too? Oh no. Who's this? Huh? Daddy. Daddy's here. Oh.
Daddy.
You don't pass.
Yeah. Ooh. Have a look. We got hot chocolate. This is my favorite, guys. Seriously. Dito sa Melbourne, guys, this is the best hot chocolate I've ever tried. So, kung sa inyo dyan na makapunta ng Melbourne, you really have to try Shea Dry. Have some? Guys, tumabas na kami ng sasakyan. Wala pa pala kami sa park, pero
They're walking.
we wanna get something to eat.
Chocolate.
So, we'll see if the bakery na malapit dito ay open.
Croissant.
What would you like to eat, Nak?
Yaki. Yaki. Ew.
Ow, ow, ow. I don't think they're open. Nah. We'll just go to the market maybe. Ito sana yung bakery na ano namin, guys, oh. Close pala sila.
My bed.
Ang baby na ayaw magpalagay. Dito, guys. Dito ang doktor. Oh, the boot's falling down. Daddy, fix it, please. Ito yung doktor ni Paris, guys.
Find down.
Yeah, we used to come here for your injection, Nak. We're doctors of South Melbourne. There. That's your doctor.
Say hi, doctor.
Tapos dyan, guys, sa harapan yung South Melbourne Market. Oh my God, it's been a while. Ang ating baby girl ay ayaw magpababa.
Want to go home.
Paris wants to go home.
No,
Daddy,
let's
my
see
shoes.
doctor. Let's see doctor. Yaki, try this by doctor. Try this is doctor.
Paris is doctor.
Huh?
Yes.
Let's check mommy.
Huh?
Check my face down.
Yeah, check the tummy.
So,
Yes. Check your
face down.
what?
Face down. Mommy, face down.
Yes. Check the foot. Ayan yung market, guys, oh.
See the head.
The head. Check the head.
The fishy.
Vegetables. Fruit.
It's that.
Yes. There it is. Bata ayaw magpababa. Uy, ginoo ko. Tigulang na kaayo. Bakmay, anak. We'll see if the Spanish place is so open. What is that? Show mommy?
Show mommy.
Show mommy? Yay!
Okay?
Daddy will open.
Yeah, look.
Nabili ko na pala yung aking paella, guys, oh. Ayan. Doon ko na ito kakainin sa park.
So thank you.
What did Daddy get for you?
She chose it.
Cupcakes?
Paris has just destroyed it.
Oh, no.
But it's okay. Look at her face.
Hey! Oh, check it out. Check it out. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love that. Wow. Do you like it? Do you like it?
Milk.
Milk? Yeah. Oh, yummy! Come on, let's go! Ito yung loob ng market guys, oh, pero close na sila. Hindi yan ha. Ito. Close na sila. Wow! Who's happy? Tyrus happy?
Yes, Mama.
Oh, yeah. We can't go that way. We'll go this way. Na-open na pala yung kanilang nails. Daddy, they're open already.
Yeah, I must be.
No, I thought like not until the 1st of... Oh. Come on, Papa. Guys, lakad-lakad muna tayo saglit. Punta tayo doon sa old house namin. Kung saan si Paris ay pinanganak. Hello, bird. Sabi ni Paris ba, pagkakita niya dito, sabi niya, it's a jungle. Kasi ang daming mga kahoy-kahoy.
Show them the houses.
It's a jungle, yes? Yeah, ito yung parang mga bahay-bahay nila dito, guys. Oh, like very, very old. Are they okay, Daddy, if they see me? Tignan nyo, guys. Ito ang style ng bahay dito.
It's called old Victorian.
Old Victorian houses. Pero sobrang mahal. Very expensive na, Daddy, ah. This ones. Ito yung mga original talaga. Ha?
They're gonna be very beautiful inside.
Yeah, true. Yeah, it might look old outside, guys. Ganyan, pero sa loob niyan, sobrang ganda. Paris, you have to cross the road, anak.
To cross the road. Okay.
Well, Daddy will put you down again when we get to the other side. Okay? Very dangerous. I remember dito ako nagpa-picture before sa wall na yan.
Have a look.
Ayan. Kasi parang artistic yung dating. Nak, does this remind you of something?
Yeah.
Huh? Guess where we are?
This is our first house. Come, come, come.
Come this way. Hala, dito ako nakaupo before, guys. Diyan. Tapos, karga-karga ko si Paris. May nagtanong sa akin kung kaninong anak daw si Paris. Hindi siguro siya makapaniwala na anak ko si Paris, guys. Dito kami nakatira, guys. Dito. Ito, oh, sobrang ganda dito, guys. Kasi, yung ano. Oh, Daddy, it's for lease. Ayan. Guys, dito before, kami nakatira. Diyan. Anak. Diyan si Paris, guys. Oh, before, pag si Daddy Mike umuwi galing sa trabaho, si Paris nagkarang-karang diha.
This is
Na it's available. It's available again, Daddy. Super nice talaga dito, guys. Kasi tingnan nyo, dyan lang yung market na pinuntahan namin, oh. Yeah.
Sweet house.
Yeah, that's where you used to walk around.
Have a look.
Daddy.
Ayan. Sobrang ganda talaga dyan, guys. Yung problema nga lang, sobrang liit. Hindi pwede sa amin. Wow! This is your old house, honey. Ito, guys. Oh, sobrang relaxing, no? Kapag, hapon, dito kami umuupo. Ayan. Pero kapag, pag fall na, naupaw na po ning, ni? Pahuyan, ni? Nak. You used to come out here before, but you weren't walking.
No, I don't want it.
You were in the pram because you weren't walking as yet. Do you miss it here, Paris?
Remember when Daddy used to come?
Mama, don't want it.
Okay, hang on.
Yeah.
Put it back in the box. Do you miss it here, Baba?
You remember when Daddy used to come home? And Daddy used to knock on the door?
Yeah. And Paris waits for Daddy at the front door.
Bahay.
Diyan yung city, guys, oh. Super lapit lang.
They're not fighting, they're so kissing. Kissing puppies.
Paris! Paris!
Did Paris make friends with Tito?
Yes.
Papa Kaka-park lang namin dito sa harap ng park, guys. And sabi ni Paris, we're here, baby Josephine.
Come on.
Come on, is baby Josephine happy? Huh?
Yes.
Yes. Come on, Daddy. Let's go.
Nice.
Tingnan niyo, guys. Oh. Yan yung lake. You come down. Uy, you okay?
Mommy, help me.
Help me. Hold mommy. Yeah, dig, 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 dig.
Huh? I want to find the duck.
The duck. Hi guys! It's now 8 o'clock ng gabi. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog ulit. Pagdating namin kaninang hapon, si Paris was sleeping and nanood kami ni Daddy Mike ng Emily in Paris sa Netflix. We're loving it, guys. Hindi lang ngayon naka-on kasi nanonood si Daddy Mike ng kanyang football. And then, naisipan ko na ipakita sa inyo, guys, yung aking napamili. After pala sa park kanina, pumunta kami ng Chemist Warehouse kasi nga nakatulog si Paris sa sasakyan. So, we took the advantage. Ayan. So, ipakita ko sa inyo yung pinamili ko doon. What's this? Sito na. Mami, ay, shush! Here's Paris. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, dito. Dito. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm Jingle.
Yeah, tingnan niyo ang kanyang dress, guys. Oh, ngayon ko lang pinasuot sa kanya. Natanggap pala namin to from Lola. Say thank you, Lola.
Thank you, Java.
For the dress.
This is why I like your dress.
Oh, you like it?
Yes.
Oh, well done. Give Lola some flying kiss. Oh, thank you, Lola, for the beautiful dress for Paris. You love it, yes? You love your dress? Oh, binili ko pala yan for Paris. And then, while nandun ako, guys, bumili ako nito. Yung pang, clear wipe lens cleaner. Ayan, para sa aking glasses. And then, bumili ako ng Pampers. Ayan, kasi kailangan na naman natin. It's that time of the month. And then, bumili ako ng eyebrow pencil. Kasi, yung akin ay pinaglaruan ng batang ere and nabuak-buak. Kaya, kailangan ko ng bago. Bumili ako ng something, pampabango dito sa bahay. And then, I've got facial cleansing wipes. Yan. And then, there's another stuff of Paris. Hindi ko mapakita sa kanila. And facial tissues. And the last one here, guys, wala talaga akong plano na bumili ng perfume. Pero nung nandun ako, guys, naka-sale siya for $30. And I think the original price was around $79 or $80. Tapos $30 na lang siya, guys. Tingnan nyo. It's from Coach. And alam nyo, hindi ko to siya tinry. Hindi ko alam kung what kind of smell ito. Pero, naisipan ko, coach, for sure, maganda yung amoy niyan. So, we'll see how it goes. Kasi, ako kasi guys, hindi talaga ako mahilig mag-perfume, ganyan. So, it's not a part of my, yun bang pag lumabas ako ng bahay, hindi talaga kailangan na naka-perfume ako, naka-spray ako, ganon. So, minsan lang pag naiisip ko, yun ako, nag-spray ako. Pero, pag normal days, hindi talaga guys, hindi ako mahilig sa mga ganito. Uy! Ganyan pala siya. Ayan. Like, it looks cool. Ayan guys, meron pa siyang mga ganyan. There you go. B, spray.
Nana. Then stop. Don't you ever do that.
Smells good.
Do it like a French. Like that.
Like that? Kasi nanood kami ng guys, ng Emily in Paris nga.
You know
Kaya
why?
yun.
You need to do it like that?
Yes.
Sure. Because it's going to be overbearing. It's not how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be like blended into your skin.
Ayan. Kasi yung isa ko ngayon guys is from Chanel, diba? I think I mentioned na before. And malapit na siyang maubos guys. For the longest time ko yun siya ginamit kasi maybe at least once or twice a week lang ako nag-spray.
I bought you Jimmy Choo.
Yeah, that was long time ago, Daddy. That was like years ago.
Was it?
I think, yeah.
Was it nice?
Yeah, that was nice. Yeah, Jimmy Choo was nice. But yeah, sobrang tagal maubos kasi minsan lang ako naglalagay. Ayan. But ngayon guys, yun na nga nanonood si Daddy Mike ng kanyang footy. And then later on, manonood kami ng maybe another episode of Emily in Paris. Let me know in the comment section below guys pag nanonood kayo ng Emily in Paris. I am liking it so far. I love fashion, you know naman ako guys. Super love yung mga clothes, shoes, bags, and everything. So, I'm really into it. And ngayon, yes, before natin makalimutan, ito yung ating positive quote of the day. And it says, I breathe in confidence and breathe out fear.
Do you know why it's good?
What's good?
Emily in Paris.
Yeah?
Because it's made by the same people that made Sex and the City.
Oh, yeah?
And that's why there's lots of fashion in it too.
There you go. So guys, i-end na natin yung vlog natin dito. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. As always, sa panonood ng ating video. Hindi ako magsasawa magpasalamat sa inyo. Kasi kung hindi dahil sa inyo, of course, wala tayong views and wala tayong comments. And you know, views and especially your comments guys makes me very happy. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And now, we are just going to do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Waverly VIC Valcorza, Cura Tagapulot from CDO, LV Real, Sally Saminiano, shout out to Janzi Pinay Australia, Vicky Inot, Rina May Rica Huerta, Susan Areza, Glady Mandanhuyan, Chari Salazar, and shout out to Alexa and Eileen Suganob sa Iloilo, and Salazar and Duarez family in Silay City, Negros Occidental. Shout out to Lovella Radok, Lisan Bansil, and shout out to Mary Ann Zamora, Joanne Ambe, Inday Hementiza Diaz Torrijos, Vanji Waknang, shout out to Faith Canaleja, Merlin Gako, Emma Turing, Patricia Mondoyo, Claudine's Kitchen, Claudine Reid, Felina Rodriguez, Helena Putong, and Cherry Ramos and family. That's about it for today's video guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye-bye.
So go cats.
close.
Bye, God.